Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Farming Simulator 22 realistically. To truly immerse yourself, consider the authentic challenges of farm life. This means managing your finances, labor, and equipment with precision, just like a real farmer. We'll explore how to make every decision count, from choosing the right crops to navigating market changes, ensuring a deeply satisfying and true-to-life agricultural experience. For a realistic experience, selecting the correct machinery is crucial. Match your tractors and implements to your field sizes and crop types, just as a professional would. Employ proper plowing, cultivating, and seeding techniques to prepare your land effectively. Remember to maintain your equipment diligently. A well-kept fleet ensures smooth operations and prevents unexpected expenses, keeping your farm running efficiently. Understanding realistic crop cycles is fundamental to success. Plant and harvest according to the seasons, just like in real agriculture, to optimize yields. Closely monitor market prices for your crops and animal products, selling when demand is high to maximize your income. Diversifying your farm with various crops and livestock can help mitigate financial risks, ensuring a stable and prosperous operation over time. Effective farm management involves more than just field work. You'll need to hire and manage your workforce efficiently, assigning tasks to keep operations running smoothly. Be prepared to adapt to dynamic weather conditions, which can significantly impact your crops and daily plans. Planning for unexpected events, such as equipment breakdowns or sudden market changes, is vital for maintaining a resilient and truly realistic farming enterprise.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.